Well, Kit, first of all, welcome to the Wales setup.
Thank you very much.
How have you found it?
It's been excellent, been really good so far. Yeah, I knew quite a lot of the people involved anyway, on the staff side of things. So it's been a fairly easy transition for me.
How have you found it? Have things changed since you were a player with Wales?
Oh yeah, massively. Yeah, I think that's fair to say. And I had a great time playing for Wales, but I think things have certainly improved and changed for the better.
How have you found working with the squad? Who stood out for you?
Well, just the group really, the whole work ethic of the group. They just get on and do things. A very dedicated bunch of players. No trouble at all. You know, a coach's dream really. They very professional, obviously in their approach as you would expect, but you know, very good with their work rate and the ethic around the whole group.
And it's a great experience being here for a week, bonding as a team, but also for the new management team as well.
Well, that's right. Obviously, you know, we've got a lot of big games coming up in a very short space of time, and you know, only 2 games to prepare for the World Cup. So it's now these are important times for us now, and it's all going very well at the moment.
And finally, for me, Kit, looking forward to Sunday night. What do you expect from Mexico?
Well, we know personnel will change from previous teams. We know that, but they're a good passing football side. Keep possession of the ball very well. Will make us work hard. We'll have to be at our best to get a positive result.
All the very best on Sunday.
Thank you very much. Cheers.